Hi everyone, here is Ricardo Vargas and this is the 5 Minutes Podcast. And today I want to talk about a very simple idea but very hard to implement. Sustainable projects, they have rhythm and not hysteria. I like this phrase because it explains a very common mistake in project management. Many people believe that a healthy project is one where everyone is always running. Too many meetings, too many urgent messages, so it's like a panic mode. Too many last-minute change, too much pressure, and constant feeling that everything must happen right now. But that is not rhythm. This is hysteria. Rhythm is consistency. Rhythm is cadence. Rhythm is the ability to move forward with focus, energy, and clarity. Hysteria is the opposite. It's when project lives in constant reaction mode. It's the panic button always on. Everything becomes urgent, becomes top priority, and in the end, the team looks busy, but the project is not really moving anywhere. Being busy does not mean making progress. Running at all times does not mean going faster. Very often, it only means exhaustion to the team. Projects are delivered by people, and tired people make worse decisions. Overloaded people make even more mistakes. When pressure becomes permanent, quality goes down, rework goes up, and motivation simply disappears. Sometimes leaders create an environment like that without realizing it. They think that they are creating a sense of urgency. They think that they are pushing for results. But what they are actually doing is creating exhaustion. And exhaustion is not a strategy. When everything is urgent, nothing is truly urgent. That is one of the biggest traps in project management. If every demand has the same weight, the team loses the ability to see what really matters. And without that clarity, the project becomes just noise. Sustainable projects need clear choices. What matters now? What can wait? What should be stopped? What will be never done? And what is consuming too much energy for too little value? For me, project sustainability is also about execution. It's about keeping the performance over time. It's about delivering results without breaking the team, damaging relationship, or destroying the energy for the next challenge. Most projects, they are not a 100-meter sprint. They are much closer to a long-distance race. That means leaders need to create a pace that the teams can sustain. Not slow, not chaotic, just steady, focused, and realistic. So here's a simple question to all of you. Is your project running with rhythm or with hysteria? Because the best projects are not always the loudest ones. They are the ones that know when to accelerate, when to stabilize, and how to keep moving without chaos. Think about that. I hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next week with another 5 Minutes Podcast.